Just finished putting my engine all back together, and now she's ready to go back in the boat. So check it out. Got all the accessories that I took off in the boat on the engine because it's easier to do it here on the stand, and not in the boat. There is one thing that I found, and I'm gonna gamble and try to fix it at home. Is under here on my oil pan, there's a little pinhole right over here that's causing a leak. What I'm gonna do is sand this whole bottom and just put a coat of JB Weld under here, and then hopefully let it cure and then repaint it, and then that should fix it. That's what I'm hoping to do later on. But today the focus is, I don't think that the hole is big enough to where I gotta wait and put this in later. I think I can do it. I looked at it pretty good. Like I said, it's a little pinhole, and then worst case scenario, if I do got to take it back out, I'll be taking it back out, but I'll be putting a brand new pan on it. I just don't have the finances for that pan right now. So we're gonna gamble with a not a quick fix, but a cheaper fix. See if that fixes it. If not, I'll deal with it when I come to that, when I cross that road. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is go find Vortec, get the forklift, and try to get this thing back in the boat before it gets even hotter than what it already is. It's supposed to be 104 today, and I don't want to be out here playing in this heat like I did yesterday. Yep. Okay. Hole right there. All right, we got her back in. Tell you what, it's looking good in there. All righty. Man, she looks real good. Hey, okay, so got the engine back in the boat. As you probably can see, I'm very tanned, or I'm very red, I don't know. But I'm headed back home and do the final little touches. It was a little not difficult. It fought a little bit trying to get the engine back aligned, but I ended up getting it aligned and the mounts in. So I just set it in. I really didn't tighten up all the bolts yet, just because it was so hot. The direction that I had my boat facing when I was putting the engine in was direct sun, so I wasn't able to use the Benini top to get any cover. So once I get home, I'll be able to bag it in where I have some good shade and be able to get some work done. All right, I'll see you at the house, at the house garage.